Hi everyone, Donut here. Last day of 2021 and I thought I'd just do a quick little shooting breakdown to top off the year. Guess what I get to go into 2022 with? That's right, the Coof. I feel fine. I was a little snotty yesterday, but other than that, I'm good. I'll just be inside for a couple days making some rad content for you guys. Our main story today could have only been committed by Florida Man. Only Florida Man could have done something so dumb. Well, maybe not just Florida Man. That one kid from Cincinnati did a nosedive into Harambe's enclosure and ended up getting that national treasure schwacked.
I wish they took that mother's life instead.
At least one of that kid's parents had to have been from Florida. I wanted to do this one also because it's not a normal shooting breakdown. It's really rare that we come across a shooting breakdown where a tiger gets shot. What had happened was, Florida Man was working for a third-party cleaning service at the Naples Zoo when he happened to stroll past the tiger enclosure. Florida Man looks at the enclosure, sees an 8-year-old, 300-pound Malayan tiger, and remembers how cute and cuddly these things were in Tiger King. He has a stroke of genius. Let's pet the tiger. A couple of seconds after trying to pet the cute cuddly murder kitty, this call comes into dispatch.
Hello, ma'am?
Help me, I'm at the Naples Zoo. Help me, please, I'm at the Naples Zoo.
Okay, what's happening?
I'm being attacked by a tiger. Please, please, please.
Is there someone there with you? We're trying to help you. Did you climb into a cage? Are you an employee? Where exactly are you? Are you in the cage?
Yeah, no, I'm just outside of it. He's got my hand.
Okay. The tiger has your hand?
That's just a little bit of that call. Florida Man caterwauls on the phone with dispatch for a good 6 minutes before the sheriff's department shows up and hears him screaming for his life from across the zoo.
Yeah, somebody got attacked by the tiger inside. Ripped her arm off.
Oh my, are you serious?
Yes, we're serious. You hear all the lights and sirens? This isn't a joke.
Tiger ripping her arm off? Can you move this? Hold on.
Yeah, you hear?
Oh my God.
The cops sprint over to where Florida Man is, and he doesn't even believe his eyes when he sees it.
Oh my God. Is that real?
Yeah, please. Oh my God. Please help me. Echo, please help me.
And by the way, I am definitely nominating this Florida Man for one of Brandon Herrera's Darwin Awards. The cops jump over the main barrier to help Florida Man, and just as dispatch had said, he was elbow deep into a tiger's face.
Please
Hey!
Please. Oh my God.
You got a tranquilizer? No.
The cops ask if they can tranquilize it, which of course I think would take too much time and Florida Man would already be dead. So that's kind of out of the question. The deputies try banging on the enclosure to get the tiger off, but it's not about to let go of that tasty, ignorant morsel of meat. So in order to save Florida Man from his self-correcting error, the deputy decides to end the threat and puts one round into the tiger's neck from his service pistol.
I'm gonna die.
I'm sure you guys kind of feel the same way I do. Bad for the tiger. Tiger retreats back into its cage and passes away in the corner. Deputies and personnel on scene throw tourniquets on the Florida Man and save his life.
Hey, are you good? Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, move that back.
Yeah, I'm good.
Let's get him on the phone.
Yeah.
Ready? Is it?
I don't know about y'all, but I don't think he's ever going to financially recover from this one. That's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to do a quick little breakdown, get something up on the channel. If you want to help support the channel, I'm going to be over at twitch.tv/donutoperator streaming as soon as this video is released. I'm going to have Escape from Tarkov drop zone, so if you're a Tarkov player, come over there and get some free in-game items. Check out Bunker Branding, where my merch is located. 2022 is going to be pretty dope. I'm ordering new camera equipment, and the Donut News Network is going to start. We're going to have a lot of fun stuff going. Check out my vlog channel. I've uploaded 6 or 7 vlogs there the past week. Please, please, please drive safe tonight. Don't be a fucking idiot and drive drunk. I hope everyone has a great New Year's Eve, and as always, have a fantastic day.